Imagine if you could hop into a time machine, set the dial to 2013, and invest in Tesla. You'd probably be rolling in dough right now, right? Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer potential of wealth gained from investing in Tesla a decade ago. Back then, the company was just starting to rev up its engines, and savvy investors who jumped on board have seen their investments multiply like rabbits in springtime. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why didn't I invest back then? Well, don't beat yourself up too much. Understanding missed investment opportunities is crucial, and it's a lesson we can all learn from. Tesla's stock has skyrocketed, and those who recognized its potential early on have enjoyed the sweet taste of compound growth. Picture this. Every dollar you invested back in 2013 could have turned into a small fortune today. It's like planting a money tree and watching it flourish while you sip your coffee. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of time traveling to wealth through historical investments in Tesla. We'll explore how a little foresight and a sprinkle of humor can help us appreciate the financial opportunities that slip through our fingers. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. The Tesla journey. Over the past decade, Tesla has transformed from a quirky startup into a powerhouse of innovation. And what a ride it's been. Let's take a look at some key milestones that contributed to this meteoric rise. Remember when Tesla launched the Model S in 2012? It was like the debut of a rock star at a music festival. Everyone was buzzing, but skeptics were still rolling their eyes, convinced that electric cars were just glorified golf carts. Fast forward to 2015, when Tesla introduced the Model X with its Falcon wing doors. You could almost hear the collective gasp of disbelief. Is this a car or a spaceship? But it wasn't just about flashy features. It was about innovation. Each new model and technological advancement pushed the boundaries of what electric vehicles could do, and investors started to take notice. Then came the gigafactories, which were like the company's secret lairs, pumping out batteries and cars at an astonishing rate. This innovation didn't just drive production, it drove stock value through the roof. Tesla's commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technology has made it a leader in the automotive industry, proving that electric vehicles are here to stay. So, while early skeptics may have chuckled, those who believed in Tesla's journey are now laughing all the way to the bank. Investment basics. Let's break down the fundamentals of investing and the magic of compound growth. First off, what are stocks? Think of them as tiny pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially saying, I believe in this company's future. Now, let's sprinkle in dividends. These are like little rewards companies give you for being a loyal shareholder, often paid out quarterly. It's like getting a bonus for simply being part of the team. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, compound interest. This is where the real fun begins. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a stock that grows at an average rate of 7% per year. After the first year, you'd have $1,070. But here's the kicker. Next year, you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest you earned. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to significant growth. To put it in relatable terms, think of it like planting a tree. The more you water it or invest, the bigger it grows, and eventually, it starts producing fruit or returns. So, as you consider your own investment strategies, remember that starting early and being consistent can lead to a fruitful financial future. What's your investment tree going to look like? What-if scenarios. Let's dive into some hypothetical what-if scenarios about investing in Tesla 10 years ago. Picture this. It's 2013, and you've just decided to invest $1,000 in Tesla stock when it was trading around $7. If you had held on to that investment until today, you'd be looking at a return of over $100,000. Yes, you heard that right. Your $1,000 could have turned into a small fortune. Talk about a plot twist worthy of a Hollywood movie. Now, let's add a sprinkle of humor to this scenario. Imagine you're at a dinner party in 2013, and someone asks what you're investing in. You confidently say, Tesla, and your friends chuckle, thinking you're just another dreamer. Fast forward to today, and you're the one throwing lavish dinner parties while they're still debating whether to invest in that sure thing called Blockbuster. But let's not dwell on the past too much. Instead, let's engage your imagination. What if you had invested just a little more? Or what if you had started investing earlier? The possibilities are endless. As you think about your own financial future, consider how small decisions today can lead to big rewards tomorrow. So, what's your investment strategy going to be? Will you be the one laughing all the way to the bank, or will you be the one reminiscing about missed opportunities? Lessons learned. As we wrap up our exploration of the Tesla investment journey, let's highlight some key takeaways that can guide us in our own financial adventures. First and foremost, the importance of timely investments and market awareness cannot be overstated. Tesla's rise was not just a stroke of luck. It was a combination of innovation, timing, and recognizing the potential of electric vehicles before they became mainstream. Keeping an eye on market trends can make all the difference between being a spectator and a player in the investment game. Next, let's embrace a mindset of learning from past investment decisions. Whether you missed out on Tesla or made a few missteps along the way, every experience is a lesson. The key is to analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and move forward with newfound knowledge. Remember, even the best investors have had their share of blunders. Lastly, it's crucial to reinforce the idea that it's never too late to start investing. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the market or looking to diversify your portfolio, every little bit counts. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So take a deep breath, gather your resources, and embark on your investment journey. Who knows? Your own success story could be just around the corner. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the fascinating world of Tesla and investment strategies, let's take a moment to summarize the main points we've discussed. We explored Tesla's incredible growth over the past decade, highlighting key milestones that turned it into a market leader. We also delved into the fundamentals of investing, emphasizing the power of compound growth and the importance of timely investments. Remember, every dollar invested today can grow into something substantial tomorrow. Key takeaways for you to remember about wealth building include the significance of market awareness, learning from past decisions, and the fact that it's never too late to start investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the lessons learned from Tesla's journey can serve as a valuable guide for your own financial path. Now, if you found this video insightful and want to continue your journey toward financial literacy, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community focused on smart investing and wealth creation. Thank you for watching, and here's to your future financial success.